G'day everybody. Thought I'd do a quick video to introduce everyone to, I have a bit of a hobby making cookers. I've got a varying degree of them. You'll see me using them in future videos when I do my bush cooking. But this is my latest incarnation. It's called the Baby Oinka, because my other ones are called the Baby Oinka. As you can see, everything's removable. The chimney's removable. The legs just screw on. Build your fire in there. It meets regulations because it's got this thing on it, so it stops the embers coming out. Just run it on small bits of timber. I also throw heat beads in once the fire's actually going. It's perfectly sized for a 2-quart camp oven, as you can see, or a 4.5 quart will go on quite nicely as well. I've used them both before. It also works really well to put a skillet on. This is quite a large skillet, but I have got smaller skillets at home, and that'd be what it's more suited for, is your smaller skillet. We bought one of the small skillets from Kmart. I think it was 12 bucks. It's a small square one. Fits perfectly on one of those single gas butane burners. That'll work perfectly on this. So I'm going to be doing a bacon and egg pie in the camp oven for dinner tonight, and I'll do a video of that when I'm cooking it, but I just thought I'd just show everyone the Baby Oinka, and it packs up neatly into that box. So it's perfect for throwing in the back of the truck or in the caravan or whatever you've got to take out camping. Alrighty, thanks guys. G'day guys. Right, so it's time to start cooking. Sun's starting to go down. I've fired up the little Baby Oinka. As you can see, nice little fire in there. I've got heat beads in there as well, which is going to help with it. Just preheating the camp oven, and then we'll pull it off and start making my bacon and egg pie. I've done these in smaller containers in a larger camp oven, and they were fantastic. So I'm going to use the whole camp oven as the pan this time. So it's really simple to make. I actually got this recipe off watching the Barbecue Pip Boys from America. They do it, and I've just slightly modified it. What you'll need is streaky bacon, and for this one I love eggs, so I'm using half a dozen eggs and a little bit of cheese. Really simple to do. So alright, let's start. Alrighty, so also camp oven off. She's well oiled. Alright, because that's what you're going to need. So just grab your glove and just make sure that you have got oil all around it. So as you can see, once you get all your oil around, it works quite well. Okay, now start off with your streaky bacon. So you just roll the bacon up and hope that it stays rolled up, because that's what you need it to do. And grab your next one, roll it up as well. They don't have to be perfectly rolled up, but the better they are, the easier it'll be to cook it. Now for the eggs. Alright, so you just crack the eggs over them. Because they'll expand as it cooks. And just some cheese. I don't know what sort of a mess this is going to make of my camp oven, but I guess we'll find out. Alrighty, so throw it on, and then just rip this back off, throw it back on the heat. So that it's level, which isn't that hard to do, but alrighty guys, so it's been in for about 15-20 minutes and it's looking phenomenal so far. I'll leave it in for about another 15-20 minutes or so, just to see if we can't, sorry about that glare, see if we can't just get them a little bit more cooked. Yeah, so once it's been in another 15, I'll give you another look. But just so you have an idea, the flame's gone down, but as you can see, all the heat beads are what's giving me all my heat now, and I've had to use bugger all timber. So yeah, that system works really, really good. Alrighty, check in again later. Alrighty, time to do a final check. I reckon she's done. What do you think? I reckon that looks like she'll be done. Alrighty, so I'll place you down here to watch what's going on. Alrighty, take her off the cooker. Set it down there. Just got to put the embers lid back on. So she's all good. Alrighty. Oh yeah, look at that. Yep. She's a big cook there. She's just falling apart. Very well. The thought was there to have it all together. It's a lot of bacon and a lot of eggs for one person. I probably didn't think that through. I probably won't eat tomorrow with all of this, because I've also got coleslaw in the fridge. Alright, but it doesn't look like it's made a mess in my camp oven, which is good. I'll let that cool down for a bit while I have some dinner. But that's what bacon and egg pie looks like once it's all done and out of the camp oven. I guarantee it'll taste better than it looks. Nothing's better than bacon and eggs.